Hello students, let's do algebra exercise 14C. This is found on page number 156, question 1, fill in the blanks. So now we have multiplication, and when we have multiplication of monomials, there's a particular way to do it. So let's start. The first one is simply 6 3s are, and we know 6 3s are 18. Now we have two monomials here, 6x and 3x. When we multiply monomials, we take only the numerical coefficient first. That means 6 and 3. So let's take only that, 6 into 3. So first we take this, then we take the literals. What are literals? The letters like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, all those are literals. So now we take the literals. So let me write X, there's one X with 6 and one X with 3. So that is X into X. Now we multiply the numbers. 6 3s are 18, and we multiply the literals. Now how do we multiply the literals? X to the power of 1 and x to the power of 1. It's understood. Okay. So when we multiply according to the product law, we have to add the powers. So it will be 1 plus 1. You have to add up the powers. So what do we get here? I will get 18 x to the power of 2, or 18x square. Next question. 6 3s are 18. Now again we're going to take only the numerical coefficients, 6 and 3 first. So 6 into 3. Now we'll take the literals, that is x here, x to the power of 2 into x to the power of 3. So let's multiply the numbers. 6 3s are 18 into x to the power of, we have to add up the powers, 2 plus 3. So that becomes 18 x to the power of 5. Next question. 5 4s are 20. Now let's multiply the numbers first. 5 into 4, and then the literals. We have x, 1x and 1y. Okay, so let's multiply. 5 4s are 20. 20 into x and y is simply 20xy. Next one. 4 into 7. 4 7s are 28. And here, let's take the numerical coefficients. 4 into 7 into a, there is only one a, so we'll write a, into, we have 1x here and 1x there. So that will be x into x. Okay, so let's multiply the numbers. 4 7s are 28 into a into x. We have to add up the powers. 1 plus 1. So that is 1 plus 1. So what do we get? 28a x to the power of 2. So that's our answer, 28ax square. Question 5. 6 2s are 12. And now let's take again the numerical coefficients. 6 into 2 into, we have 1x here and 1x here. So let's write that, x into x. And then we have a y here and a y here. So into y into y. So 6 2s are 12 into x is 1 plus 1. So that is 1 plus 1 into y is also 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. So what do we get? 12 x to the power of 2, y to the power of 2. Next question. 12 into 4. 12 4s are 48. Now here again we have the numbers. Let's try the numbers. 12 into 4 into, let's take a. There's one a here and one a here. So a into a into, let's take the x. We have x square and x. So that is x square into x. So what do we have? 12 4s are 48 into a to the power of 1 plus 1. So that is 1 plus 1 into x to the power of 2 plus 1. So that is 2 plus 1. So what do we have? 48a square and x 2 plus 1 is 3, x to the power 3. Question 7. 1 8s are 8, and then here let's take the numerical coefficients. So we just have 1 here and 8. So let's take that 1 into 8 into, let's take the a's, a square here and a cubed here. So a square into a cubed into, let's take the x, there's 1x here and x to the power of 2 there. So x into x square into, we have y square and y. So we have y square and y. So now let's see, 1 8s are 8 into, this will be a to the power of 2 plus 3 into x to the power of, this is 1, 1 plus 2 into y to the power of 2 plus 1. So that will be 8 a to the power of 5, x to the power of 3 and y to the power of 3. So this is our answer. 8, a to the power of 5, x to the power of 3 and y to the power of 3. Next, the 8th question. 15 into 3. 15 3s are 45. So here let's take out all the numerical coefficients. So 15 into 3. Then let's take the x there. We have 1x here and x to the power of 5 here. X into x to the power of 5. And then we only have y square. So that is y square. So now what do we have? 15 3s are 45 into x to the power of, it's 1. So 1 plus 5 into y squared. So what's our answer? 45 into x to the power of 6. So we write x to the power of 6 and y to the power of 2. So 45 x to the power of 6 and y to the power of 2. Question 2 is also fill in the blanks. Here we have these numbers with their literals. So let's follow the same method, taking out only the numerical coefficients. 4 into 6 into 2 into, there's 1x here and 1x here. So that is x into x. So that will be 4 6s are 24, 24 2s are 48 into x to the power of 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, that makes it 48 x to the power of 2. Question 2. 3ab into 6ax. Let's take the numbers. 3 into 6 into, let's take the a's. There's 1 here and 1 here. So a into a into, we have b by itself. So we'll write b into, we have an x. So we'll take x also. So now this will become 3 6s are 18 into a to the power of 1 plus 1. So that is 1 plus 1 into b into x. So what's our answer? 18 a square bx. That is our answer. Question 3. X into 2x square and into 3x cubed. So here we'll write 1 here, and so let's take our numbers. 1 into 2 into 3 into, there's only x, so let's take x. So first x is here, then we have x square, then we have x cube. So let's multiply. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6 into x to the power of, now this is 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6x to the power, add all this up, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So our answer is 6x to the power 6. Question 4. 5 into 5a cubed. So we'll write the numbers first. 5 into 5 into, we only have a to the power of 3. So let's multiply the numbers. 5 5s are 25, a to the power 3. So that's our answer. Question 6, let's go on to that. Okay, so we have 6 into 6x square into 6x square y square. So only the numbers 6 into 6 into 6, and then into, we'll take the x here and x here. So that is x to the power of 2 into x to the power of 2 into, now we have only y square by itself. So we can write y square. Now this is equal to 6 6s are 36. 36 into 6. So let's multiply that here. 36 into 6. 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. So we get 216 when we multiply the numbers into x to the power of 2 plus 2 into y to the power of 2. So what does this give us? 216 x to the power of 4 and y square. So this is our answer here. Question 6 we are moving on to now. So let's take the numbers now. -8 into -3, and now let's take the literals x and x here. So into x into x. So let's multiply the numbers now. Minus into minus is plus. 8 3s are 24 into x raised to the power of 1 plus 1, because this is 1 and this is 1. So this becomes 24x, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 24x square. Question 7. -5 into -3x into 5x square. Let's take the numbers. -5 into -3 into 5. Now let's take the literals. We have x and x square. So that is x into x square. So the numbers, let's multiply. First the signs. Minus into minus is plus. 5 3s are 15. 15 5s are 75. Into x to the power of, now this is 1. 1 plus 2. So what do we get? 75. X to the power of 1 plus 2 is 3. Question 8. 8 into -4 into 3 will take first. 8 into -4 into 3 into, let's take the x as 1 here and x to the power of 3 here. So that will be x into x to the power of 3 into, we have y to the power of 2 here and y to the power of 2 there. So y square into y square. Let's multiply this. First the sign will be minus. 8 4s are 32. 32 into 3. 32 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So the number is minus 96. Minus 96 into x to the power of 1 plus 3 into y to the power of 2 plus 2. So what do we get? Minus 96. X to the power of 1 plus 3 is 4. Y to the power of 2 plus 2 is 4. Question 9. Minus 4 into 5 into 3. So first the numbers. Minus 4 into 5 into 3 into, let's take the literals, x here and x here. So that is x into x. Then we have a y and a z into y into z. Okay, let's do the multiplication of the numbers here. So here we have minus sign. Let's put the minus sign. 4 5s are 20. 20 into 3. 2 3s are 6. So 20 into 3 is 60 into x to the power of 1 plus 1 into y into z. So what do we have here? Minus 60. X to the power of 1 plus 1 is 2. X square y z. Question 10. Let's write all the numbers. So that is 5 into, we have 2. So 5 into 2 into minus 7 into 2. 2 into minus 7 into 2. These are the numbers. Into, let's take the x. 1x here, x squared here, and x cubed here. Into x square, into x cube, into, now here we have a y cubed and y square, into y cube into y square. Okay, now let's work this out. 5 2s are 10. 10 7s are 70. 70 into 2. 7 2s are 14. So 70 into 2 is 140. We have a minus sign, into x to the power of, this is 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 into y to the power of 1 plus 3 plus 2. So what do we have? Minus 140. X to the power of 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Y to the power of 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So what's our answer? Minus 140, x to the power of 6 and y to the power of 6. Moving on to the next question, find the value of, the first one is 3x to the power of 3 into 5x to the power of 4. So let's multiply the numbers first. 3 into 5 into, let's take x. X to the power of 3 into x to the power of 4. So that will be 3 5s are 15 into x to the power of 3 plus 4. So that is 15. X to the power of 3 plus 4 is 7. The answer is 15x to the power of 7. Question 2. 5a squared and 7a to the power of 7. So first let's take the numbers. 5 into 7 into a square into a to the power of 7. Now let's multiply. 5 7s are 35 into a to the power of 2 plus 7. So that will give us 35a to the power of 2 plus 7 is 9. So the answer is 35a to the power of 9. Question 3. We have 3abc into 6ac cube. So first the numbers, 3 into 6 into, now we'll take a, we have 1a and 1a there, a into a, then we'll take b, we have only 1b, then let's take c, we have 1c and again c cubed, c into c cubed. Okay, let's solve this. 3 6s are 18 into a, this is 1 and 1, so that becomes 1 plus 1 into b into c, we have 1 here, so that's 1 plus 3. So what do we get? 18, a to the power of 1 plus 1 is 2. We have b by itself, c, 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is our final answer, 18, a square, b, c to the power of 4. Question 4. A square, b square into 5a cubed, b to the power of 4. Okay, so here the number is 1. So if we take the numbers, it is 1 into 5 into, let's take only a. Here we have a square and a cubed. A square into a cubed into, let's take the b's. B square and b to the power of 4. B square into b to the power of 4. So let's multiply. 1 5s are 5 into a to the power of 2 plus 3 into b to the power of 2 plus 4. That will be 5a to the power of 5 and b to the power of 6. Fifth one. 2x square y cubed and 5x to the power of 3 and y to the power of 4. So the numbers are 2 into 5 into, let's take x squared and x cubed. X squared into x cubed. Let's take the y's, y to the power of 3 and y to the power of 4. Y to the power of 3 into y to the power of 4. 2 5s are 10 into x to the power of 2 plus 3 into y to the power of 3 plus 4. So this will be 10x, 2 plus 3 is 5, y, 3 plus 4 is 7. So what's the answer? 10x to the power 5 and y to the power 7. Sixth one. A, B, C into B, C, D. So the number is just 1. So we will not multiply. There is no need. Let's take the A's. Now there's only one A into, we have 1, 2 B's. So that will be B into B into, the C's are 1 and 2. C into C into D. So this will be A into B. This is 1 plus 1. So that's 1 plus 1 into C. This 1 here and 1 there. 1 plus 1 and D. We have D also now. So the final answer here will be A. B to the power of 1 plus 1, that's 2. C to the power of 1 plus 1, that's 2. And D. So what's the answer? A, B square, C square, D. So children, we'll stop with that for now. And in our next video, we'll continue the remaining questions. Thank you, children.